Marie Van Brittan Brown was a Black American nurse and innovator. In 1966, she created a video home security system with her significant other, Albert Brown, who was a hardware tech. Her security system comprised of 4 peepholes, a sliding camera, with TV monitors and receivers. The system had 4 peepholes set at various focuses around the house. A camera could move starting with one peephole then onto the next, permitting Marie to see various areas without being at the entryway. Inside her home, television screens were connected with the cameras. Marie could see who was at her entryway without opening it. The system included microphones for two-way correspondence. Marie's creation addressed the crime in her area and the deferred police reaction time. Her idea altered home security systems, extending past private use to organizations around the world. The patent for their system was granted to them in 1969. Marie Van Brittan Brown was born in Jamaica, Queens, New York and died at the age of 76 years old in Queens, New York. Her legacy lives on as a trailblazer in security innovation as long as no one else tried to steal and claim it as theirs. Like so many other inventions have stolen from us. Even if there is a patent,